The first time you start the application, you will by default see a geological map of Montana. You can of course zoom in, you can pan, and I should point out that the level of detail is actually pretty good. At any point you can of course tap and get more detail about what you're seeing, but that's just one of 30 layers available in this application. Let's take a look at two different layers, the superficial material and a brand new layer in this release called Glacial Limit. And this will show us the surface material along with the furthest limit of advance of the last glaciation. And we can obviously see a correlation here between the two. Not a surprise, but it's always nice to see that in detail. Other examples of layers would include, for instance, the terrain layer, which shows you the topography, once again in quite a bit of detail. And of course, all of these layers can be combined, so I can, for instance, add let's say the roads and the railroads on top of the topography. And of course I can get details about the roads and the railroads, including this one, for instance, which apparently belongs to Burlington Northern Santa Fe. There are a few tools which allow you to, for instance, measure distances or measure surfaces and areas. You get the picture. There's a lot to this application, but it's really fun to use, and I hope you give it a try.